Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your region on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you will need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. I said, but if you do have an account, all you need to do, just ignore all of that and let's log into your account and let's get straight to it. If you open your Instagram, and as we said, we want to change our region. All we need to do, just go to your profile down there. As you can see, it's at the bottom right corner. Click at your profile picture. Then all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top right corner. Then look for settings, click on that. Then here all you need to do is just look for account. If you don't find it, just go to search and type account and it will appear to you here. Click on account. Then all you need to do, just scroll down a bit until you find. So first of all, after scrolling, you will need to change your account to not a personal, to a business account. So just click at switch account type. So here for me, I have two options: switch to business account or switch to personal account. So if I want to change my region or country, I need first to change my account to a business account. They will ask you, so are you sure you want to switch? Just click at switch and your account will be business account. Then you can go back to the home page like this. As you can see here, now you have more tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. Just here at my profile. Then you would like to go to edit profile. Then all you need to do, just scroll down a bit until you found this contact option. So if you click on that, as you can see here, we have here business email, business phone number, or business address, or WhatsApp business phone number. So here we can add a business address. So here if you add your address, so here just add your street address, city and town, and add your zip code, then click on the check mark. Here then you can just check this if you want your address or any of this contact option to display to your profile. If you want this, just go and check this. As you can see here, no contact info saved because I did not fill any of this. But if you fill just one of these, and just if you click on that to check it, it will not say this message. All you need to do then, just click on the check mark option at the top right corner and you will be changing, or you will change your country or your region as a business account. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.